Your HVAC system is the heart of your home's comfort, but it needs care to perform its best. Regular maintenance, such as changing filters, cleaning components, and inspecting key parts, ensures your system operates efficiently. This not only saves energy, but also reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns during extreme weather. With proper care, you can extend your system's lifespan and lower repair costs. Protect your comfort and your wallet. Contact us today to schedule a maintenance check and give your HVAC system the care it deserves.